Yeah, I think the biggest thing is that it's something I had never done before. It's something that we've never been really presented with at MHS, and it's a really great opportunity to do. We're kind of the first group who's ever done this too, so it's pretty cool that we're the first ones to take this step towards a new normal.
So when we first got our responses from other students, we were just kind of like, we all had the same thought process to do the quiet space, the study space with group work, and then the lounging space by the hallway. So we all took that into consideration and we used that. So I think that's how our designs like would be similar in the same way. But I do think that we had a lot of differences as far as like design in our furniture or furniture choice, I guess. But I do think if we did collaborate, we could definitely collaborate our idea with the booths, or just like we wanted the geometric couches basically. And I mean, there was definitely a lot of similarities, but I think that we definitely had some differences as well.
It was a pleasure to work with the students from Muscatine. These two teams were composed of students who had very, very different interests, but all of the parts and pieces that it takes to bring a product proposal to life. They worked well together, they met deadlines, and they helped to give us a lot of information that we might want to know about how to think about our products, how to think about installing our products in a way that's going to be meaningful to students, and education is a really important part of our business.
I'm very proud of the students. I'm very appreciative of HON and our administration. I thought they did an unbelievable job, and this is a volunteer project, and not one time did I have to motivate students or feel like I had to push them along. I think they were very invested in this, and just seeing them present today, I really thought those are very hireable students. You know, if they had completed their college education and things like that at that point, type of kids that I think you would hire tomorrow. So very proud of them. I think Mr. Christopher and HON originally kind of talked about getting students involved in this. HON was very receptive. We have a new work-based learning program at the high school, so we're looking for any ways to partner with businesses and give some real-world experience. And we've done that in a variety of ways, and to be honest, this has been one of the most satisfying ways that I've seen, because you are able to see something that's going to affect our school building, but you're also able to see students work hand in hand in that real-world setting. So it's been a very supportive environment and a great learning experience for our students.